Namaste everyone and welcome to Om Incense Show with DJ. So today we are checking out a new haul from this brand called Sree Panchamis, if you can see that. So this is a Chennai based brand, I guess, and they make good quality stuff, based on their own Ayurvedic traditions that their family has been following for some time. That dates a few generations back. And what they do is they're into making skincare products and soaps, and they also make puja products. So I got in touch with them, and this is what they had to send me. They sent this pack to me, and I'm so thankful to them for this. So Priya is the girl who runs this, and she sent me all the Dhoop powders that she has because I was really interested in checking out her Dhoop powders. So this is what she had to send me. I do not think she has a website, but I'll confirm and let you know. I'll put the link in the description. Otherwise, I'll be, she is on Instagram, so you might just want to check this Sree Panchamis. It's like this. You might want to check this on Instagram. So check there, and I'll talk to her and find out if I can share her number here with you, so that in case you guys want to try any of these, you might just want to get in touch with her. I still haven't touched, I still haven't used any of these. As you can see, these are all still packed. I still haven't got a chance to use them, but what I'm planning to do is I'll be filling them in the Dhoop cups, and I'll be using them for the fumigation of my house, like I always do, along with the sankalp, for say around for 11 days or so. So that's what I'll be doing. And so let's see what are the things that she sent me. She sent me quite a few stuff. So this is hair Dhoop powder, and most of the thing is written in, I guess this is Tamil, so this is written in Tamil, and it says manufactured and marketed by Sree Panchami Industries, Chennai. So her mail ID is given. It says sreepanchamis@gmail.com, and the WhatsApp number also is given, so 7550049544. I'll be giving this number and the mail ID in the description box. You might just want to check that. They are on Facebook and on Instagram, like I said. And you can ask for the English PDF for this description, and she'll be sending that to you as well. So you might just want to check that. So this is hair powder. It says traditional and therapeutic hair Dhoop powder. If you know that hair Dhoop is a thing that has been practiced in Ayurveda for quite some time. It is not just good for the it helps scalp infections. It helps the maintaining the health of your scalp and your hair. Also, it gives a very good, it rejuvenates your aura. So that's also the one thing that it does. It helps you get rid of any kind of, probably say, some kind of negative energy that might have got stuck in your aura, or things like that. It's also good for people who has sinus problem and stuff, problems related to respiratory respiratory issues, and during winter. So this is something that is mostly used by women, but it is also given to kids. So hair Dhoop powder is a really good thing. You can have this. It also says hair dryer, so it helps dry up the hair also. And once in a while, if you do this is quite a good beauty ritual that you can use as self-love. And hair Dhoop powder is something that very few people do. I think mostly it's only from people from the south who do this, and it's a very good thing. So I might, I would want the women in the group here to get hold of this and try doing this for you. Even if you can't do it every day, so probably try doing it for once in a while, whenever you wash your hair, and just make a small preparation. Have a nice Dhoop stand with you, one of those handheld Dhoop stands. Get a nice one for yourself, and put a little coal in there, and try this with the Dhoop. Besides helping improve the condition of your hair, it is also going to have a nice calming effect on your mind and your body as well. And you might just relax a little and enjoy that little me time with yourself. So I think this is a very good thing for women, and you can also use this for your kids, and especially if you have girls at home, small girls, it'll be very good for that. So I'm going to use this for my daughter. Thank you so much, Priya. I really wanted one of these, and the fact that these are handmade in small batches really makes me feel that this is a very good quality stuff, because that's what the case is. Mostly handmade products are really good, and people who do make this stuff take really good care to make quality stuff. So this is hair dhoop powder. So this is Sree Panchami's hair dhoop powder. So that's what we had. Next what we have is Sanjeevanam original Dasangam powder. So Dasang, if you know, Dasang dhoop is something that has been mentioned in Ayurveda quite a few times, and it's supposed to be a combination of 10 kind of ingredients, and dhoop is made out of this. So this is dhoop, loose dhoop. This is also dhoop powder, and you might want to use this on hot charcoal, or you might just want to you know, place it in your dhoop cup and use it. So that also can be done. So this is the Shangam powder. This is something that I really like. This is Varagi Anugraha Dhoop powder. So this is Goddess Varagi, if you can see that. Goddess Varagi. She is the consort of Varaha Roop of Vishnu. The famous movie Kantara that just showed this time now around. So this is really nice, and this helps helps your house, you know, it gets rid of negative energy and overall well-being. So it says, it has a few, you know, English stuff here, but so it says ingredients is coistum, kingilium, wild turmeric, edible camphor, and other rare and divine herbs. So this also is quite a good thing. You might want to get this also for yourself. So this is there. I do not know the prices of this because I haven't been able to get that from her, but if you want to get any of these, you know, the WhatsApp number is there, the mail ID is there, you might want to get in touch with her. Also she has, like I told you, many other products. So soaps she has, skin oils she has, and she has various kind of lotions and moisturizers, all the things. Those are the things that she has. So this is so I think this is the dhoop powder. The I can't read the name. It's Sarva Mangalam traditional 52 herbs dhoop powder, I guess it says. So this is for women. So this is a yoni dhoopam, and yoni dhoopam is the vaginal dhoop, which is specifically used, of course, by women. So this is really considered to be good for their you know, reproductive health. So once in a while, you know, after you're through with the periods, this is a really good thing to do it for around, say, 3-4 days, or probably, you know, you might just want to fix some kind of time in the month when you want to do this, but preferably after the periods. And this is really going to be very helpful. You have to do it very carefully. There are quite a few videos on you know, on YouTube where you can find how to use yoni dhoopam. I'll link one of those videos where this girl, this woman, she's an Ayurvedic doctor, and she has mentioned it, she's done it very well. So I'll try to link that video in the description box, so you might want to check that. And for women here, you also might want to get this for yourself and do this once in a while, and probably twice a month or something. And for starters, you know, if you like it, of course, you can do it as many times as you want during the month, and this is going to be a really good thing for us. So this is Sarva Mangalam Dhoopam. So that's yoni dhoopam for women. That's there. I'm not sure if she you know, really makes it commercially, or if she just gave this to me. You know, you might just want to WhatsApp her and ask about this. Then we have this Kandan Pure Pal Sambrani powder. So this is Indian Loban. This is that white dhoop, if you can see. This is mostly used for babies, and it's supposed to be the pure Sambrani powder. It's really good. As you know, as always, used again on the charcoal. So this is the Kandan Pure Pal Sambrani powder. So this is there. Another one that we have here is Bogar Siddharth air purifier and fumigator organic dhoop sticks. So these are dhoop sticks, and this also is supposed to be really good. This is a combination of traditional herbs that so it says 100% organic natural product, and she's made this based on the traditional wisdom that's been passed down to her you know, from her family. So this is what we have. Then what we have is, it says Jino Manjanam Abhishek powder. I'm not sure what this is because nothing is mentioned here, and I am sorry, but this Abhishek powder, if you're aware of what this could be, please let me know in the comment section. And this is that. This is Brahma Shakti turmeric powder. This is supposed to be used as tilak on your forehead, and this is supposed to bring good luck and prosperity in your life. So this is Brahma Shakti turmeric powder. This is what is there. Then I have Sasta Pure Sandalwood Powder. So this is the sandalwood powder that she sent me. As you can see, she sent me quite a few stuff, and I don't know if I can call it a sponsored thing, but this is all, you know, she sent me as an experience pack, so to say. So I haven't paid for any of this, and it's been her goodwill to send this to me, and I just thought I might as well share this with you guys, because I really found the quality good, for the fact that, you know, these are all handmade products, and the very fact that it comes from South gives me a feeling that it has to be good, and especially made by a woman and made in small batches in handmade stuff, you know. So this has to be good. So this is Shiva Yogam Original Pachai Karpuram. So this is that edible kapoor. If you know that in Indian culinary, you know, this has culinary uses in India. So this is also used in medicines. So people, you know, girls who have this problem of leukorrhea also are given this. Then people in Bengal use this in the kheer. People in the Maharashtra area use it to, you know, use it to fumigate the vessel in which they make Srikhand. So edible kapoor has quite a few uses in the Indian tradition. This is what we have. And then this is Javadu powder. So this is that body incense which is supposed to be really good while praying and meditating. It's supposed to get you in a state of good meditative state. Javadu powder is supposed to be really good. It's body incense. You apply it on your pulse, on your forehead, on your throat chakra, on your navel before you start your meditation or your puja, and it's supposed to give you good results. It helps you get in that state of you know, whatever that alpha thing that they say. So it's supposed to get you there. So this is that Javadu powder. So these are all the things that we have. So we'll see sandalwood powder, edible kapoor, this is Javadu powder, this is Brahma Shakti turmeric powder, this is Abhishek powder, this is Bogar Siddhar Dhoop sticks, this is Kandan pure Pal Sambrani powder, this is Varagi Dhoop, this is the Yoni dhoopan, this is the Dasangam powder, and this is the hair dhoop. So this is what I had from Sree Panchami's. I really wanted to show this to you guys, and I'll be using them, and I'll let you know once I've used them. I'll let you know the review of it. For now, I'll be providing the WhatsApp number, the, you know, all of our various social media presence IDs in the description box. You might want to check out the description box, and in case you want to get any of these, you might want to get in touch with her. Ladies, I would ask you to please take the hair dhoop powder and the Yoni dhoop powder. It's going to be a really good stuff that you can invest in your health. It's a very good form of self-love, and I'll be attaching the link of the video where, you know, the hair dhoop powder can be. I'll be linking the video for the hair dhoop powder and the Yoni dhoop powder as well. So you might just want to check out the description box. So that's all for the episode. Thank you so much for watching Om Incense Show, and I'm Dolly Jha. I hope you take care of yourself, very good care of yourself, till we meet again next. Namaste.